Hog Tech University is an advanced and comprehensive program where operators will learn the ins and outs of operating a hog. If you're looking for safety compliance, higher production rates, minimal parts cost, and more, then HTU is for you. With access to hundreds of hours of exclusive video content, step-by-step instruction, equipment-specific guides, 3D animation, and hands-on training by the same product experts behind these machines, making certification of operators stress-free and entertaining. Accessing HTU is easy. Simply contact our training department at training@hogtechnologies.com or call 772-214-1714. Once you've reached our training department, it will give you your login information. Just go to our website, thehog.com, click on Support, Hog Tech University, log in/register. Upon completion of training, every operator will receive a certification box that includes exclusive hog gear, their hog license, and achievement credentials. But training doesn't stop there. If you have any questions or concerns, you can log in, search, or call. Our online platform serves as an ongoing educating tool, ensuring operators stay up to date on the most current ways to operate a hog. Hog Technologies strongly believes certified operators maximize the productivity of your truck while maintaining the highest levels of safety at the lowest operating costs. At Hog Technologies, 98% of spare parts orders are shipped on the same day they are received, serving you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Even if an issue arises that cannot be solved by phone, we will send a certified technician to you. Hog Tech University is your one-stop shop for all things hog. Watch, learn, certify, operate. For more information, contact us at training@hogtechnologies.com or call us at 772-214-1714 today.